My name is Matthew Summers and I'm a Forex trader and crypto trader, and also sell things online through Imperial products. I decided to go on this course because it had everything: marketing, coaching, how to sell things, traffic, literally the whole package, and that really appealed to me. So I thought this is going to really accelerate my businesses, so that's why I decided to join. Yeah, just some simple things really. Rather than trying to figure out everything yourself, you've got experts that actually show you the way, so it's going to fast track you. I've just learnt so much. I can't share everything on camera, but yeah, just really great content. Really great people. They come across as they want to be your friend, down to earth, really easy to work with, and you can just talk normal conversations. And they just really want to help you out. Great guys. I would say don't bother going on any other course. This is the real deal. If you've got no business, they're going to help you set up a business, and if you've got one, they're going to really accelerate you to get right to the top.